Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video tutorial, you will be knowing or we will be learning how to give a 3D effect or border to our text in Canva. Okay, so I have here already the output. So let me just quickly erase this things here for us to start with the beginning. Okay, suppose you're going to make a group project. So let's just add a text here and type group project. Okay, so how are we going to give life to this text and give a border to this one? So let me just change the font here and as well as the font size. Okay, so it's done. Now let me assign this text another color. So let's say I'll give this color green. Okay, so we need to select our text and choose for a text color, and I want color green. Okay, so that color. Now it's done. So how are we going to give a border with the text? So all we need to do is just duplicate this one. So just click on your text and click on Control D button. I'm sorry. Control D button, and we have now the duplicated text. So what are we going to do with this duplicated text? All we need to do is just change the color. So it could be, I want it to be black, this one. So it's a darker shade from green. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Next step is to click on effects and then click on hollow. And the next step is to drag this into the first text that we made. So as you can see, there you go. We have now a border to our Canva text. Now, did you find this video helpful? If you did find this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope I see you on the next one. Bye bye.